Welcome back. Let me tell you, I love your dedication because you are making your way through this lesson. We are on the last section of the Lumetri color panel, which is the vignette section. And this is a really quick and easy one. So a vignette is just going to change the edges of your frame to help make your subject stand out. So we can increase the amount of vignette to lighten the edges, or we can decrease it to darken it. The midpoint setting is going to adjust how far that vignette extends from the edge of the frame. The roundness setting is going to control whether it's a rectangle, an oval, or a circle. And lastly, the feather setting is going to control how sharp or how blurry the edges of that vignette are. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there because y'all, it is official. We have made it through the entire Lumetri color panel. So let's just breathe a collective sigh of relief. And now,
Yeah.
y'all know what that means. It's time to pause and practice what you've learned. And so here are the skills that you want to test out. So first, I want you to click that comparison view button either in Lumetri Color in the Color Wheels and Match section or at the bottom of the Program Monitor panel. And remember, that's going to let you see two shots at once so you can compare the color between them. Next, try clicking the Apply Match button to match the color settings from your current shot on the right to your reference shot on the left. Then I want you to try clicking in one of those color wheels and dragging out toward a color to increase its saturation in your shot, and moving the vertical slider up to lighten and down to darken. Next, I want you to use the HSL secondary section to adjust only the skin tone of your subject. So you're going to use the eyedropper to sample their skin. You're going to use the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to adjust your selection. You're going to smooth and blend that selection with the denoise and blur sliders. After that, you're going to check the color gray box to just show what you've keyed or selected. Then you're going to use the vector scope YUV to check whether your skin hue is on the skin tone line and whether your skin saturation is between 20 and 50%. And of course, if your skin is not on point, then you can use the correction settings in HSL secondary to make corrections to just your skin selection while leaving the rest of your shot alone. Lastly, if you want to darken or lighten the edges of your shot, you can do that using the final section in Lumetri Color, the Vignette section. Also, don't forget that you can reference the recap guide that has step-by-step directions as you're practicing these color tools. After you're done practicing, then come back here because you're not going to want to miss the next video because I am going to be sharing some major efficiency tips that are going to help you save so much time when you're doing color.